Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I want to show you how to make Tonjiru, pork miso soup. Ton means pork and Jiru, Shiru, means soup. So this soup has a rich and mild flavor from pork and lots of vegetables since it requires a lot of ingredients. So we don't usually make at home so often, but you can eat at outdoor events and you can also buy at bento specialty shops. For me, it reminds me of my youthful days. My family and relatives used to gather at our grandparents' house every Obon season and made this Tonjiru, and we ate this Tonjiru together outdoor. It is a good memory. There are various recipes depending on family and region, but I'd like to share my favorite Tonjiru recipe today. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. During this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Japanese style pork miso soup Tonjiru is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。I sprinkled 七味唐辛子 So looks very colorful. I'll start eating pork first. The meat, the pork in the miso soup makes it special. So many flavors in the miso soup. If you made this Tonjiru, you'll be surprised how different from traditional miso soup. Sweet potato is must for my Tonjiru recipe. So you will be full from the soup alone. ごちそうさまでした。Okay, so here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: cutting a vegetables ingredients into different shapes and sizes gives them a gorgeous appearance and texture. Tip: same as making traditional miso soup, do not boil miso soup, otherwise it gets too salty. Tip: add the green part of long onions at the very end to present the crunchiness. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this Tonjiru recipe? I hope this recipe video motivates you to try new Japanese home meals. And if you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming! I introduce easy, simple, and nutritious Japanese recipes, including baby meals, kids meals, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for this time. We will see you next time. Bye bye!